Hello everyone, in this video, we are going to look at how to install NordVPN on Linux Mint. Let's start with the graphical version. Open your terminal and type this command. Press enter and wait until the installation finishes. Once it is done, open your application menu and search for NordVPN. Start the program, log in with your NordVPN account, and connect to a server of your choice. That's it for the GUI version. Now let's move on to the command line installation. Open your terminal again. To install NordVPN through the terminal, type this command. If this command does not work, you can use this alternative command. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Sometimes you may see an error that says permission denied. If that happens, type this command. Then restart your computer. Once installed, you need to log in. In your terminal, type NordVPN login. This will open a browser window where you can log into your NordVPN account. After you finish, return to the terminal. To connect to a server, type NordVPN Connect. The client will connect you to the best available server. From now on, every time you want to connect, just type NordVPN Connect. That's how you install and use NordVPN on Linux Mint, either with the graphical interface or the command line. Thanks for watching.